Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our third question. One statue standing, this is the statue standing on a pedestal. So from one point, let's take any one point apart from some distance from this pedestal and statue. Statue stands on a pedestal. So that point, what is the angle of elevation for pedestal? That is 45 degrees. The angle of elevation for the top of the statue from the same point, that is 60 degrees. So that is the given data. So we have to find what is the height of the statue, but the pedestal height they are already given, that is 2 meter. So let's going to take height of the pedestal. Height of the pedestal, what is that? Pedestal will be pedestal. So what is that? So that is the height of AC. AC will be equal to 2 meter. So what is the height of the pedestal? So that is 2 meters. Then what is the next one? Elevation at the top of the pedestal in triangle ABC. So what is that? In triangle ABC, angle B will be equal to 45 degrees. So from the same point, angles will going to change if you consider the triangles. So angle B will be equal to 45 degrees, that is angle of elevation. Then angle of in triangle ABD, angle of elevation, that is 60 degrees. This is for pedestal, this is for statue. So these are the two things, pedestal and statue, angle of elevations will be 45 degrees and 60 degrees correspondingly. So here 2 meters they are given height and we don't know. Let's going to consider height of the statue, that will be equal to small h meters. Let's going to take, that is CD. So CD will be equal to h. CD will be equal to h meters. So we are taken h meters. Then what is how to find this one? So you can take CD as, let's going to consider CD will be equal to AD minus AC. Then we will get it as, so AD minus AC is nothing but what? 2, that is CD. So that is the CD. AD minus 2 meters, that is CD. So from pedestal you can subtract from the total, then we will get the statue height. So let's going to consider the trigonometric ratios in triangles. In triangle ABC, as I told, angle B will be equal to 45 degrees. Tan B will be equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So what is the opposite side here? So AC, and what is the adjacent side? AB. So tan B means tan 45 degrees. So tan 45 degrees. AC is nothing but what? 2. AB is nothing but what? AB we don't know. Let's going to consider. So AB into tan 45 degrees is equals to 1. Tan 45 we know that is 1, 2. So AB will be equal to 2. So what is this? 2 meters. What is that? 2 meters. So we got this one. From this you can take another ratio in triangle ADC, ABD. In triangle ABD, so what you can take triangle ABD, we can take, what is the in triangle ABD? Tan B will be equal to, what is that? Opposite side by adjacent side, that is AD by AB. So AD by AB. So what is AD? AD is the sum of two things. So what is AD here? Tan B means tan 60 degrees. AD is equals to AC plus CD whole divided by AB. AB is nothing but, we know that is 2. So tan 60 degrees, tan 45 is 1, tan 60 degrees is root 3. So root 3 will be equal to AC plus AD. AC is equals to what? 2 plus CD is nothing but h. 2 plus h by 2. 2 plus h by 2. So this is the case here. So let's going to take it this side, and h will be equal to, h plus 2 will be equal to 2 root 3. 2 root 3, then h will be equal to what? H will be equal to 2 root 3 minus 2. 2 root 3 minus 2. 2 root 3 minus 2. H will be equal to height. That is the value. So 2 is a common. Root 3 minus 1. So root 3 minus 1. What value you can take? 2 into what is that? 1.732. So let's take 1.732 minus 1. We will get it as 2 into 1.732 minus 1 means it is obviously 0.732. So 0.732. So what value we will get? 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, then 2 7s are 14, 1 will be 2 zeros are 1 point. So h will be equal to, so height of the, therefore height of the statue, what you can say, height of the statue, what you can write, small h will be equal to 1.464 meters. So so this is the 1.464 meters, that is the height. So this is the way to find the values. So if you like the video, please like it and try to share with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching. Don't forget